How you doing, baby?
Oh, not too bad. How are you?
Not too bad. Should we get started?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO!
NANABOOZHOO!
The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Isn't that right, sweetie?
Sure is.
I am NANABOOZHOO, and this is the lovely and talented
Oh, get out of here.
Natasha. Take it home, BOOZHOO, sweetie.
BOOZHOO!
And today, you know, I was thinking our Ojibwe word could be
What?
AAKWADE'EWIN.
Oh, what?
Bravery. Courage. It is one of the 7 Anishinaabe values.
Yeah.
So we were talking about the 7 grandfather teachings, they're sometimes known as. And we talked about honesty and humility. So I was thinking today, let's talk about bravery. So these are some of my thoughts on bravery. When, okay, number 1, they used to say, I heard this and I think it's totally wrong. They used to say, fear. Fear is false expectations appearing real.
Oh, what?
False expectations. What you're expecting isn't real.
Nah.
It appears real. That's what is fear, but it's not real. And people used to walk around with T-shirts that would say, "No fear."
Yeah, I remember that.
Oh, look at me. Oh, I'm so big. I got no fear. And they'd even put it on their trucks and that.
Yeah.
No fear. But I say, don't. Number 1, fear is real. There's stuff to be afraid of. You know, if you're never afraid, that just means you're like, you know, naive
Yeah, huh?
or dumb. You have no wisdom.
Right.
If you have no fear. And the thing is, you can't be courageous. You can't be brave unless you are afraid. So they say, don't try to get rid of fear. Because when there is fear, you are about to do something brave.
Oh, what?
Or you're about to run, I guess. But fear is, fear is being aware of the risks. But bravery is doing the thing you have to do, facing that fear. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, because I'm the baddest, you know what, in the valley. I remember, I think my uncle had that poster hanging up in the 70s.
Oh, what?
Or maybe he had a tattoo of it, I don't know. Hoka hey! AAKWADE'EWIN. Bravery. So if you're ever nervous, scared of something, and you need some courage, just say, pray to Gitche Manadu. Say, Gitche Manadu. Daga we duka wishin. Iji zungade'e. Great Spirit, help me to be brave. Help me to have AAKWADE'EWIN. Help me to have courage. Courage. All right. Well, you got anything you want to add to this?
Not really. That was pretty good.
In that case, sweetie, would you mind sending us out?
Not at all. Well, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Miigwech Gadawabi Egg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. and I will see you again. Gigawabamin! Minowa! How? And give us a thumbs up if you like the show. Click the subscribe button if you like. And if you'd like to support the show, click one of the links in the description.